from me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. I'm working at home again, songwriting, singing, doing my thing. It's a lovely summer's day, but I'm proper hungry now. What am I gonna have? I'm gonna have a sandwich made with bread with lots of seeds, and I'm gonna use olive paste, and I'm gonna use tomatoes and cucumber. Have you tried olive spread? It's lovely. All you need to do is get some olives, put them in your food mixer, zhuzh it up, and it's a beautiful base for a sandwich. Enough of me. This is how I made my sandwich. Let's get into it. Come to me. Orange, yeah. Black pepper. Blue, green. As I said, this is just a quickie. My name is JB Rose, singing vegan mum. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, comment if you like what you see, and I'll see you next time.